a world where we explore everything science, technology, engineering, art, and math. If you're watching this, you're an official member of our Technovators Club of cool STEAM kids. You're watching Sema's Lab. Today, check out how to do this. Hello friends, one of the kindest things you can do is say thank you. So today we are going to be making a special thank you card for our family and friends. Whenever I see butterflies, I get happy. And so today this card is going to get inspired by butterflies. Time to get hands-on with Sema's Lab. For this activity you'll need an A3 piece of paper which is 11 by 17 inches. 4 different colors, but I have 5 just for options. A paintbrush, water for rinsing the paintbrush, 3 markers which are yellow, black and orange. Let's technovate! First, we're going to start by folding our paper into half. Next, we're going to draw our butterfly. First, we're going to start by drawing a round circle which will represent the head, then a long oval. With our yellow marker, we're going to color the body just like this. Next, using our black marker, we're going to draw the eyes, which are just like 2 dots. Using the orange one, a smile. Oh, my butterfly looks so happy. Next, we're going to draw lines on its abdomen, which is scientific talk for long body. Oh, almost forgot. A butterfly has antenna, so using the yellow marker, we're going to draw 2 swirly lines. Next, and the most fun part, it's time to draw the wings. I'm going to paint my right hand blue. There we go. I'm going to put the paper like this and place my hand. Hold it on for about 5 seconds. I'm pretty sure you have 5 reasons for being grateful. My first one is I'm grateful for my school. I have nice teachers there who teach us nicely and really help us to perform really greatly. So I'm going to move on to my right. I'm going to paint that red. Oops, did I say right? I meant left. So, put the paper the other way and... My second reason for being grateful is my friends. I have nice friends at school who are always there for me and we love playing together. I'm going to wash my hands and I'll be right back. I'm back with clean hands now and it's time to do the other 2 wings. First, I'm going to start by cleaning my paintbrush. I'm going to use yellow on my right, on the paper. My third reason for being grateful is my family. I have a great family, my mom, my dad, my sisters, and my adorable little brother. So let's move on to the other color, purple. And my 4th and 5th reason for being thankful is cakes and birthdays. I love cakes. So tasty. And birthdays, you get to sing and dance and enjoy. We are done with the wings and the body, but we can't have a thank you card without a thank you. So let's take a black marker and write thank you. I'm going to write it below the butterfly, but you can write it anywhere you'd like. So I'm done with the thank you card and I wonder who you're going to give it to. You can give it to anyone, your mom, your dad, your best friend. I'm going to give it to my best friend Consolata at school. I hope she loves it. I had made a few more earlier. Here they are. So I hope you enjoyed this craft and I hope whenever you see butterflies, you think of what you're grateful for.
Anyway, that's it for today. Bye. See you next time.
Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel.